Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to pick between ETRADE and TD Ameritrade for your investing journey in 2025, you're in the right place. Both platforms are powerhouses in the online brokerage world, but they cater to slightly different needs. Let's dive in and compare them step by step so you can make an informed decision. First off, let's talk about fees. ETRADE offers commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs, just like TD Ameritrade, which is now part of Charles Schwab. However, ETRADE might edge out with lower costs on options trading, charging around 50 cents to 65 cents per contract, while TD Ameritrade could be a bit higher depending on your account. But remember, both have account minimums that are easy to meet, so that's not a big barrier. Next, user interface and tools are crucial. ETRADE boasts a sleek, mobile-friendly app that's perfect for beginners and on-the-go traders. It has intuitive dashboards and educational resources to help you learn as you go. On the other hand, TD Ameritrade shines with its advanced Think or Swim platform, which is a favorite among experienced traders for its in-depth charting, technical analysis tools, and paper trading features. If you're into serious market analysis, TD Ameritrade might feel more robust. Investment options are another key area. Both platforms support a wide range: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and options. But in 2025, ETRADE is ramping up its crypto offerings, making it easier to dive into digital assets. TD Ameritrade, integrated with Schwab, provides seamless access to international trading and a vast array of research tools from third-party providers. Customer service is where things get interesting. ETRADE offers 24/7 chat support and a dedicated phone line, which is great for quick queries. TD Ameritrade matches this with highly rated support, including educational webinars and local branches if you prefer in-person help. So, which one should you choose? If you're a beginner or prefer a simple, app-based experience with emerging features like crypto, go with ETRADE. For advanced traders who crave powerful tools and comprehensive research, TD Ameritrade is the way to go. Ultimately, it boils down to your trading style and goals. I recommend trying their demo accounts first to see what clicks for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more investing tips, and drop a comment below on your experiences. See you next time.